Hello everyone. So today we are going to check about three things. First thing is, suppose you have a data something like this, and using the shortcut keys, if you want to wrap your text, then here is the shortcut key Alt H and W. So first of all, I will select and then Alt H and it's done. Second thing is, suppose you have a data, okay, and you want this data in the table form, then from the keyboard Control T and press OK. That is the second thing. And the third one it is, suppose you want to check exact match, that is this and this, column 1 and column 2, okay, then you will get either answer in true or false. It depends. If it is same, you will get answer true, otherwise you will get answer as what? False. So this is false, this is same, exactly same. Here apple A is capital, small a, so it is false. 1 2 3, it is true. This is also true and this is also true, because false and false are exact same only. So these are the three things in the Excel. Thank you everyone.